guys, welcome to my 1972 Beetle. It's got a big body kit, as you can tell. Especially on the back, you got the the whole board up there and a little spoiler. And the party piece is the engine. It's got the Subaru AJ20, so it's very beautiful. And with that engine, you got more power, you got better fuel efficiency. It's a little more complicated to work on, of course, but it's worth it because it just drives well. It starts well in winter, so it's just a much nicer car to drive compared to an old, loud, air-cooled one. That's the fun of a grease pit. I can just park my car and then climb under it, and there's no danger of falling on my head or whatever. I'm safe down here. I can just exit the whole engine. This is the exhaust. It goes to a little muffler there. But I'm curious what the car would sound like without any muffler, because it's like a Subaru engine, which has a beautiful, growl, supposedly. So I figured I could just disconnect the exhaust for now and start the engine, see what it happens. Okay, that's loose. Never mind. That's one of the easiest. What? As you can see, we got bolts here. It's all up here. It was attached there to the other side, and then there's one in the middle. So we have to disconnect every single one, and they're all 13, so that helps. But it's a bit of a struggle. I don't have a 13mm socket for that, so I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. But yeah, that thing. Okay, now it's all up at the center. The last piece is this. This is the last thing holding it up. Okay, so the problem is now this bolt is rounded, so I cannot unscrew it. I was just off camera, but I could pry a screwdriver in there. I could put pressure on the bolt, so now it's loose. And this little rubber bushing, oh, it's not rubber actually. So now I should be able to get this whole thing off. Ooh. Well, we got the exhaust off, so this is just a straight pipe now. So of course I'm gonna test it now, see how it sounds. I mean, that sounds amazing. It's very loud, but wow, I didn't know it had it in him. I guess this really works, this muffler. Wow. Suzuki, it's from a motorcycle, so I don't know exactly why they work so well, but it sounds very loud and very good. So, wow. I guess I have to figure something out to get the exhaust to here, but maybe just a straight pipe or maybe a little resonator. That's I'm very happy with that sound. Wow. so that was a little test drive. It sounds really good as expected, but it's much too loud. I need something of a muffler. And I've been reading online, there's like the glass pack muffler or some other straight through resonators to get to keep the low rumble, but to improve muffle the high raspy noises. Because I was just driving through town and it just felt a little guilty about making all the noise. And maybe I want to do weddings or whatever, drive it properly. So I'm gonna come up with something. Maybe a custom exhaust, maybe with like a valve, so we can turn on the noise. That would be perfect. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it and come up with a plan.